Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, helps answering a very logical question. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. And when you consider where the price was just down here, and then all of a sudden where the price ultimately closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price certainly did make a very nice move on the day. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around on this area down here at $1.25. Why is $1.25 important? Hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $1.23. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would you have in that situation? Well, we'd have a set of lows, or you'd have the price right back to where it was. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, that's just not a good sign of strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, my quote-unquote make progress point is at $1.25. In terms of where the sellers are at, nothing fancy here, other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up there at directly $1.50. So right on the dot, $1.50. So that'll be public enemy number 1 going into Friday. Anyway, look at it. Great movement today. Great bounce. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We will see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.